Hey gang, Caleb Shaw, Homes for Heroes, Shaw Realty, and we are back at another one. 227 Cobble Stone, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2,005 square feet in glorious Steve Klein's Terra Vista neighborhood. Guys, this one's gonna move quick. I say that on all of them, but we sell them quick, so you know they move quick. Caleb Shaw, 237-8727, Shaw Realty, Homes for Heroes, America.